Students, today I am going to teach you the chapter number first of the math, that is algebra, set. What is the set? What are the methods of the writing the sets? We see this in this first topic. Then what is mean by set? Set is a collection of clearly decided object of the given collection. Set is a collection of clearly decided object of the given collection. Some collection is given, and from this that collection the objects are clearly decided or well defined, then the collection is called as the set. Then the elements of the sets. What is mean by elements? Elements of a set. What is the elements? Distinct object from which the set is formed. Set means collection of clearly decided object, and the object from which the set is formed is called as the elements. That is, object which forms set is called as the element. Then name of the set, that is, for example, firstly we take 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the collection of the clearly decided object. Objects are 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash. Which objects are these? These are the even numbers of the given numbers, natural numbers, and that is the collection of all the even natural numbers, and therefore these are the 2, 4, 6, 8 are the objects, and that collection is called as the elements, set, and this set, the objects of that set are written in the curly bracket, and to give the differentness of the object we give the commas in between the two given consecutive objects. Now the name of the set is denoted by the capital letters always. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, like this. These are the names of the sets which are given to the given set. Then objects of the given sets are denoted by the small letters X, Y, Z. For example, suppose A is the set of vowels in English alphabets. Now A is the set which we write in curly bracket. Vowels in English alphabets are A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels in English alphabets. That is, the objects of the sets are denoted by the small letters. Name of the set is denoted by the capital letters. Now suppose 2 is the element of set A. How we denote it? 2 is the set element of the object set A. For that there is a sign of symbol like this, belongs to. This symbol is called as the belongs to. That is, 2 belongs to the set A. 2 belongs to the set A means 2, this element 2 is present in the set A. Suppose 5 is present in A or not? No. Therefore, 5 does not belongs to the set A, and this symbol is called as the does not belongs to. That means the given element is not present in that set. These are the most important topic of the topic set. Then next topic is methods of writing the sets. How we write the sets? Methods of writing the sets. First method is listing method or roster method Now what is listing method? In this method we write all the objects in the collection or the set in the curly bracket, and each of the element is written only at one time, and then separated by the commas, and then order of the element is not important in the listing method. For example, suppose we take Same example 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash. It is the set of all the even and natural numbers. How we write in listing method? You have to give a set of even natural numbers and we have to write, or suppose I take odd natural numbers. We have to write set of odd natural numbers by listing method. What is the listing method? In this method, we have to write all the objects of the given set, and each object is written at once only, and there is comma is given in between the two consecutive elements. Now set of odd natural numbers. What are the odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, dash, dash, dash. And we write this in curly bracket. We write the each element at once and there is comma in between the two consecutive objects, and this is called as the simply listing method. It is a simple method. In this method we write all the elements in the given set. And then next is second method is rule method. Second is rule method or set builder form. Rule method or set builder form. This is the second method. Now, how we write the set by rule method? In this method, we write the general element using the variables followed by the vertical line or column and write the property of the variables in which the objects are collected. For examples, same example I take 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash. We know these are the even natural numbers and we have to write, this is the listing method, and we have to write this set in rule method or set builder form. In this we write name of set, curly bracket, and we have to write one variable, suppose x. Then there is a vertical line or colon is given. Then again write the given variable and write the property in which the elements are collected. Now these elements are collected in the property of even and natural numbers. Therefore here we write x is a natural number, and this is the rule method or set builder form. Second example I take A, E, I, O, U. We already know these are the vowels. Therefore by rule method we write firstly any variable y, then colon like this or vertical line, then again y, that variable, and write the property from which these elements or objects are collected. These are the vowels. Therefore we write y is a vowel in English alphabets, and that's the rule method or set builder form. Now we see the examples of practice set 1.1. First example is write the following sets in roster form. First example is set of even numbers. We write the any alphabet for the given set A, set of all the even natural numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash dash. This is the set of even numbers. Then set of even prime numbers, I give the name as B. Now we have to write all the even prime numbers from 1 to 50, and there is only one even prime number from 1 to 50, that is 2. Therefore here element is only 2. Then set of negative integers, I write as D, or integer, that is I. Now set of negative integers, that is dash dash dash. Last negative integer we cannot define, therefore -3, -2, -1. This is the set of integer numbers. And then last 7 basic sounds of sargam, that is, suppose I take it as P. Now there are 7 basic sounds in sargam: sa, re, ga, ma, dh, ni, and again sa. These are the 7 basic sounds of the Sargam. This is the first example which we write in roster form. Now next example is write the following symbolic statements in words. We have to give one symbolic statements and we have to write this in words. Now 4 upon 3 belongs to the cube. That is, we have to write 4 upon 3 belongs to the set Q, or 4 upon 3 is an element of set of rational numbers, because Q is the set of rational numbers. Now next is minus 2 does not belongs to n. N means natural number. Minus 2 does not belongs to set n, or set of natural numbers, or we can write minus 2 is not an element of the set of natural numbers. Then P is the set of P such that P is an odd number. We have to write in words. Therefore, P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. That is the question number 2. Write the following symbolic statements in words. Next example is write the following sets using the listing method. Now we have to write the sets by using listing method. That means you have to write all the objects in that given set. All the months. By first example, all the months in the Indian solar year. There are 12 months. First is Chaitra, then Vaishak, then Jeshta, Ashad, Shravan, then Bhadrapad or Bhadra, then Ankita, then Agrahayan, then Paush, and then Magh, and last is Falguna. These are the all the months in the Indian solar system. Then letters in the word complement. That means you have to write the letters in the word complement. Name it as A. Here I write B. All the letters in the word complement, but one letter written at once only. Therefore, C, O, M, P, L, E. M already we write it. E also already written it. Then N and T. These are the letters in the word. Then set of human sensory organs. There are 5 sensory organs. I write the name of set is C. First is eyes, then nose, ears, then tongue, and skin. These are the 5 sensory organs of the human being. Then set of all the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Write the number of prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Then last is name of the continents of the world. I name it as E. Which are they? Asia, then Africa, Europe, then Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. These are the continents of the world. This is the fourth example that we have to write by using listing method. Next example is write the following sets in rule by using rule method. We have to given the sets by using listing method and we have to write this in using rule method. First is A is equal to, set is given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. If we see this, all these are the perfect square from 1 to 10. Therefore, we have to write the property of that these objects as these are the perfect square numbers. Therefore, we write here A is equal to set of x such that x is equal to, it is a perfect square and therefore we write n square. What is n? N is belongs to the natural number, that is n is the natural number, and here objects are given are the perfect square from 1 to 100. Therefore, here we write values of n is less, greater or equal to 1, less or equal to 10. This is the rule method. A is the set of x such that x is equal to n square and n belongs to the natural number, that is all the are natural numbers, and value of n is greater or equal to 1 and greater or smaller less or equal to 10. Then second is given b is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. These are the multiple of 6 and therefore here we write B is the set of y or x such that y is equal to, these are multiple of n, 6, that is we write here the property 6n. And what is n? N belongs to the natural number, that is n is the natural number. And what is the value of n? N is less than 9 because we have to given the numbers up to the 8. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, and therefore here we write n less than 9, or you can write it like this: n is greater or equal to 1 and less or equal to 8. It is also perfect answer, or you can write n is less than 9. Then C is equal to SMILE. These are the letters of the some word, a word. And which word is formed from these letters? Smile. And therefore we write here C is the set of X such that X is a letter in a word or of a word smile. Then next is given fourth, D is given Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What are these? These are the days in a week, or we can write here now D is the set of X such that X is a day in a week or days of a week. Then last, X is equal to AET. Again we form the word from these three letters. Therefore here we write, now here we take Y because the name of set is X. Therefore here we write Y. X is the set of Y such that Y is a letter in a word. Which is the word? How many words are from this? First is ATE, that is 8, or EAT, that is eat, or TEA, T, that is these are the letters in the word 8 or eat or T, and these are the examples of the practice set 1.1. and I think you can easily understand these examples. If you understand these examples and like my video, then subscribe, like and share this video.